The ideal tooth extraction is painless removal of whole tooth or tooth root with minimal trauma to investing tissues so that wound heals uneventfully and no postoperative problem is created. To do an ideal extraction, instruments must get adapt properly, secure grip, transmit controlled force in predetermined direction, where these factors depend on few mechanical principles which has to be clearly understood to do satisfactory extraction. Starting from well-established wedge principle, according to it, a wedge can be used to split, expand or displace the portions of substance that receive it. Likewise, tips of extraction forceps are narrow and broadens posteriorly. When forced between mucoperiosteum and tooth surface, mucoperiosteum gets displaced. On advancing still further, bony socket expands so that tooth is displaced out of socket. Next about lever principle of first order. Lever is mechanism by which modest force is transmitted at long power arm with fulcrum in the middle so that mechanical advantage is derived at short weight arm. Where in the case of extraction, power arm is represented by handle, alveolar crest as fulcrum, and weight is represented by the tip which grasps the tooth. Finally, wheel and axle principle, where one can derive mechanical advantage by pulley mechanism. For an instance, to lift up a heavy weight, wheel of pulley rotates around axle. In our concept, if tooth is grasped firmly and forced in the form of arc, it's easy to deliver the tooth out of socket. Thanks for watching. Hope you will like my video. Please share, subscribe and comment.